We'd like to thank Professor Jacobson, and we'd like to thank all of the readers, because although you did not know it at the time, and the time that this family was going through the challenge, Legal Insurrection, Professor Jacobson, and you readers gave the family the support and the courage that they needed to persevere in what literally was a David and Goliath battle. And you don't know this, but every night, our trial team, before we would retire for the evening, and the evening wasn't the evening, it was always 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, because as Professor Jacobson said, there was an onslaught of motions and efforts. And, you know, we had $1 billion bully doing everything they possibly could to destroy this iconic bakery. So every night we actually would read Legal Insurrection, because, and not because we had time on our hands, but because we knew that from the collective minds and observations of everybody, you were making comments, and we wanted to make sure that in this battle that we didn't miss any nuance that one of your readers or Professor Jacobson may have identified, so we could incorporate it into our presentation. And because, to be frank, we needed every advantage we could get. And if it looked easy to some of the readers, then, you know, I've got a bridge to sell you in Brooklyn, because it wasn't easy, and it was against all odds. And the fact that Legal Insurrection stepped up, reporter Dan McGraw did an excellent job. He was in the courtroom every day. Judge John Maraldi did an excellent job controlling the courtroom, because when we started, the other side was telling him this was going to be a 6-month trial. And of course, they would have beat everybody into submission if it had gone that far. So, as is unfortunately the habit of trial attorneys, my long-winded answer is so long, Professor, that I don't even know what your question is at this point.
Keep going. I'm enjoying it. And although you've gone through a lot of heartache in many different ways during these 6 years, I think you have emerged with your dignity and with your honor and with your reputation. And that's something that once lost is hard to get back, but I think you've gotten it back.
Thank you. If I may say one thing, I did want to thank my team of lawyers, because they were amazing. But also, I do want to thank Legal Insurrection, because you guys have been there from the start and throughout this entire 6 years. And I really do appreciate all the coverage, and just being there. It really helped for me to sit and look through all the comments and things every night. It gave me some hope. So thank you very much.